Good morning, everyone. It's an early morning. It's 6:15 here on Atlantic time in Canada and the East Coast. Just 5 things I want to talk to you about today for women. The first thing that I want to talk to you about, I'm Eccentrics, and thank you for watching my channel. Please hit the bell button and subscribe. 5 things that you need to know, ladies, on skincare. The first one that you need to know is to always wash your face with a cleanser. A cleanser removes residual traces of makeup, smoke, smog, pollution, and dirt. Always follow up with a toner. A toner actually helps to pH balance your skin. It preps for your moisturizer as well. And it also adds more moisture and removes residual traces of makeup that your cleanser didn't get off. And you would be surprised, ladies, at how much a toner can remove residual traces of makeup after you've actually used your cleanser. Third thing that I wanted to talk about was an exfoliator. You want to make sure that you get an exfoliator that is cylindrical in their beads. You don't want one with walnut shells or currant shells in them that could actually be abrasive on your skin. A facial exfoliator would be best. Some of the best ones on the market are Clarins. Christian Dior has a great one, so does Lancome. There's many more from La Roche-Posay, Vichy. And if you're exfoliating your skin, you do not necessarily have to use a manual scrub. You can use microdermabrasion, you can use glycolic acid, you can actually enhance your skin by using a vitamin C cream as well, or vitamin C capsules to add radiance. The fourth thing that we want to talk about is eye cream. Eye cream reduces the puffiness, dark circles, lines and wrinkles, and dehydration around your skin. It is one of the most essential products any woman should have. So when I say essential products, I'm referring to the #1 product that every woman should have in their arsenal of skincare. For eye cream, it helps to reduce puffiness, dark circles, lines and wrinkles, dehydration, and also helps with deep lines and lymphatic drainage. An eye cream will actually help because it's actually, this area is 10 to 12 to 15 times thinner than the rest of your face. You want to make sure that you're using your eye cream and all the products that I just discussed, AM and PM as well. Now your day cream would actually switch to your night cream, and then for an added product to add into your skincare regimen, ladies, would be a repair serum that would actually help to target lines, wrinkles, age correction, in and around the nasal folds, the number 11 on the forehead lines, etc. As you see, I'm in my trusty little house coat here. I have a hat on because my hair is not done. It's so early in the morning. I just finished drinking my coffee. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Eccentrics from Eccentrics Essentials, beauty pro tips coming from you live here in Canada. Thank you for watching, and the beauty editor will be editing all my new videos starting next week. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you subscribing. Cheers! Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Eccentrics. Please hit the